Professional traders know the value of timely analysis. Enjoy this expert Forex review. Analysis of trades and trading tips for the euro. The test of the price at 1.1535 ago, when the MACD indicator had risen significantly from the zero mark, which limited the pair's upward potential. Yesterday, financial players once again disregarded the positive release regarding the state of the US labor force. Although the claims figures were quite good, traders were not eager to buy the dollar. Instead, they focused on the Middle East situation. Today, European trading venues are completely closed in observance of Good Friday, leading to reduced volatility. Among the economic news today, only the report on industrial production dynamics in France is expected. Despite the significance of this indicator for the French economy, its influence on the broader European markets during the holiday will be minimal. In the absence of macroeconomic data, market participants are likely to focus on the news flow. Geopolitical events and central bank statements can affect investor sentiment, even amid low trading volume. Watch in-depth trading tutorials and eBay reviews on the RobotFX YouTube channel. Subscribe for free tips. As for the intraday strategy, I will rely more on implementing buy scenarios 1 and 2. Buy scenarios Scenario 1. Today, I can buy euros at a price around 1.1554 green line on the chart, with a target of 1.1576. At the level of 1.1576, I plan to exit the market and sell the euro back, anticipating a 30-35 pip move in the opposite direction from the entry point. It is unlikely that the euro will rise sharply today. Important! Before buying, ensure the MACD indicator is above the zero mark and just starting to rise from it. Scenario 2. I also plan to buy euros today if there are two consecutive tests of 1.1525 when the MACD indicator is in the oversold area. This will limit the downward potential of the pair and lead to a market reversal upwards. A rise to the opposite levels of 1.1554 and 1.1576 can be expected. Sell scenarios Scenario 1. I plan to sell euros once the price reaches 1.1525 red line on the chart. The target will be 1.1500, where I plan to exit the market and immediately buy back, anticipating a 20-25 pip move in the opposite direction from that level. Pressure on the pair could return today if data is weak. Important! Before selling, ensure the MACD indicator is below the zero mark and just starting to decline from it. Scenario 2. I also plan to sell euros today if there are two consecutive tests of 1.1554 when the MACD indicator is in the overbought area. This will limit the upward potential of the pair and lead to a market reversal downwards. A decline to the opposite levels of 1.1525 and 1.1500 can be expected. What is on the chart? Thin green line the entry price at which the trading instrument can be bought. Thick green line the expected price where take profit can be set or profits can be secured, as further growth above this level is unlikely. Thin red line the entry price at which the trading instrument can be sold. Thick red line the expected price where take profit can be set or profits can be secured, as further decline below this level is unlikely. MACD indicator. It is important to be guided by overbought and oversold zones upon entering the market. Important! Beginner traders in the Forex market need to be very cautious when making entry decisions. It is best to be out of the market before important fundamental reports are released to avoid being caught in sharp price fluctuations. If you choose to trade during news releases, always set stop orders to minimize losses. Without setting stop orders, you can quickly lose your entire deposit, especially if you do not use money management and trade large volumes. And remember, for successful trading, it is essential to have a clear trading plan like the one presented above. Spontaneous trading decisions based on the current market situation are inherently a losing strategy for intraday traders. The material has been provided by robotfx.org. Thank you for reading. Level up your trading with proven RobotFX expert advisors. Check them out now.